Hi guys, I hope you're doing well, you're keeping safe and everything is okay. So today I want us to talk about 2020 Vlogmas video ideas that you can do as a YouTuber. I have three categories. I have rating video ideas. The second category, I have video ideas of gifts that you can buy. Third is the initial Vlogmas video ideas that you can vlog as a YouTuber. I am planning to do all of them under the three categories. For cleaning and decorating video ideas, you can do indoor decoration, house decoration videos, and also cleaning indoor decoration videos. Christmas 2020. If you live in a space where that can allow you to do decorations outdoor, you can do outdoor cleaning videos and outdoor decoration videos. If you're a DIY kind of person, you can do Christmas decoration DIY with me and decor video ideas. Doing now the house tour that initially people have been doing. You can do the you can do holiday home tour. That is Christmas 2020 holiday tour. It can go really well. So after you've done all the decorations, your Christmas decorations, you can give us a tour of the house. I've already started seeing YouTubers go that route and they look very well, very nice. I'm from watching Maggie Mwende's video, and you guys, that queen is doing the most. She's doing the most. She has a very detailed cleaning, house decoration, and living room tour of her Christmas decorations. So you can do either of all those ideas, and they'll come through for you guys. You can also think of doing videos of Xmas gift ideas. So you can do videos on what you gift yourself, what you gift your mom, what you gift your dad, what you gift him, what you gift her, your hubby, and all those kind of stuff. Also, you can do a video of Xmas gift ideas. Tell us like what you think can work and what is working for other people, and what you want to gift to your relatives and your family, and and who not. You can also do a video on what I'm getting my kids, what I'm getting for kids for Christmas. You can also do a video that is very interesting, and I really hope that I'll be able to do it. A video on me taking or my kids meeting Santa for the very first time. On Vlogmas video ideas, you can do my Christmas wish list, Christmas gift idea. Sorry, my Christmas wish list gift ideas. So we know some of us are gifted during Christmas. So it is very prudent if you have a wish list, if you do a wish list and do a video of maybe so that people who gift you will have a wish list and see what you want other than you being gifted, and people and later on you not using that gift that you gifted, or you hate that gift. So it is a video that can work out perfectly fine. So you can also do a Christmas a Vlogmas video on shop with me Christmas vlog. So that is where you're going for shopping, and you're shopping for maybe the items that you want to decorate with them your house, the house shopping, like what you're cooking on Christmas Day. You can always go out and shop. Do a video where you're taking us for shopping and you see what you're shopping. Also, you can do Christmas shopping vlog 2020. You can do as many videos on shopping, as many as you can. I mean, you're doing a vlogmas. It is a 30-day challenge. You have to shoot, and we need content, and you need to put out content there. So, and we need those watch hours. So you can do the most and do maybe a series of Christmas shopping vlog in 2020. Favorite Christmas vlog. I am really going to do this video, and I hope that I'll have the guts and I'll have all the memory to explain, because Netflix has been giving me jiggles over the past like 2 years, and I've been watching a series of Christmas movies that I really like. So I am that kind of a person who really wants to do a vlog explaining my best Christmas movies, and I hope that I will be able to do it. Also, you can do baking Christmas cookies vlog. Baking Christmas cookies vlog. If you're a baker, if you're good with baking, you can always go to the kitchen, show us how you make your Christmas cookies. I think that's the thing with Christmas. It's a holiday, so you're allowed to do anything that you want. So those are the video ideas I have, you guys, and most of them, actually, if not all of them, 99% of them I'm going to do. My first video will be going up 1st of December, and I am releasing and publishing videos from 1st to the last day of December. My mantra in shooting Vlogmas is making sure that I have all the content that I've always shelved, and I'm going to show it. So as of right now, I'm working for my Vlogmas intro and outro because I want to give you quality content, you people. Quality content. Yes, that is what I'm going to give you. And I promise you it will be the best content that I have ever done. And I want